carnivore pizza recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, half a cup grated Parmesan cheese, half a cup grated mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper. To taste instructions. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, brown the ground beef until it's fully cooked. Drain any excess fat and set the beef aside. In a small bowl, mix together the Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, tomato paste, oregano, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Take a large baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Using your hands, press the ground beef out into a large, thin circle on the baking sheet, making sure to leave a small border around the edges. Spread the cheese mixture over the top of the beef, spreading it out evenly. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and the edges of the pizza are crispy. Once done, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. This recipe is a carnivore's dream come true. The pizza made with ground beef and 2 types of cheese. It's a pizza loaded with protein and fat. The tomato paste gives it a hint of acidity and sweetness to balance the savory flavors of the meat and cheese. Enjoy it with a side of your favorite meat. It's important to note that the carnivore diet is a highly restrictive diet that consists only of animal products, eliminating all plant-based foods. This diet is not widely accepted and not recommended by many health professionals. Long-term adherence to such a diet can lead to deficiencies in essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It is important to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making drastic changes to your diet, and always monitor your nutrient intake.